Hi Skinnies, Nick again. Okay, so I wanted to, now that I've finished cooking, I've had my pastina, had some painkillers, I wanted to go live and talk about something that a very, not a small group, but a group of Skinny Mixers gets really excited about every single book launch. And that is the Cook the Book competition that we do. Now, we have so many new community members who've joined Skinny Mixers since we published the last book, which was Dinners 3, that I think it's important that I take time to explain what a golden ticket is, what bingo is, what Cook the Book is, all that sort of stuff. So, long story short, every book launch we give away golden tickets. Golden tickets come in the form of chocolate bars hidden inside books. Now we do a handful of random ones, a handful of chosen ones, and then we do the Cook the Book ones. Now, the only way that you can absolutely guarantee that you get a golden ticket, which gives you entry to our recipe development team, which I'll explain a little bit more in a minute. The only way to absolutely guarantee that you will get a golden ticket is to be one of the first 2 people to cook absolutely every single recipe from Skinny Mediterranean as quickly as possible. So you have to be either number 1 or number 2 to call bingo. Now, when you purchase the book during the pre-sale, you will get a free digital download, which will be a bingo card. And on that bingo card will be every single recipe so that you can cross them out as you cook them, post photos, and then call bingo when you get it. Now, people are still doing their personal bingos from the last book launch. So it's a very popular competition and a very popular thing that people just like to do, not even to win a golden ticket, but just to encourage themselves to cook and try new things. It's a fun thing to do. And so, yeah, essentially, the only way to guarantee, like I said, is to be one of the first 2 people to get bingo. Then we also give away 2 random bingo Cook the Book prizes so what happens is in the first 30 days, if you manage to cook the whole book and call bingo, you go into a pool of people, and we randomly select, so like a program randomly selects 2 extra winners. So there'll be 4 golden tickets given away for the Cook the Book. Now, Cook the Book. Recipe development team. The Skinny Mixers dev team is a phenomenal community. We've got 167 plus members from all over the world. Every single recipe that I write goes to the dev team after I've tested it. They test it, they give feedback, and they take beautiful photos and all that sort of stuff. Then when it comes time to publishing the book, they get the book for free. They get their names printed in the book. They get to come to events, just all sorts of fun stuff. And it's not just about the free recipes, it's also about the community. It's a beautiful group of people. Some people are best of friends now from meeting each other in the group. We all support each other when we're having a hard time. We also celebrate each other when something positive has happened. So it's a really lovely community within the Skinny Mixers community that I know so many of you would love to be in, but the only way to guarantee that you get a spot is to be one of the first 2 people to cook every single recipe from Skinny Mediterranean. Now, there's some things that you can do ahead of time to make sure that you're in the best position to hit the gate running on night 1, which is October 10th, so this Friday. Thing number 1, start peeling garlic. So there's 117 cloves of garlic in Skinny Mediterranean. Now, don't worry if you're low FODMAP or you can't have garlic. We've got alternatives for every single recipe. I'm pretty sure it's every single recipe. Start peeling garlic, onions, make a big double batch of chicken stock concentrate. Do the halved variations so that you're not, cooking so much food that you can't eat it all. Get family and friends involved. Borrow a Thermomix, borrow 2 extra Thermomixes. You're gonna need them. I believe that the lady who won the first bingo last book, she had 3 Thermomixes going and she didn't sleep for like 3 days. So, you know, you have to be very dedicated and very serious about it. And it's a bit of fun. Like, you've got to have fun with it. And I think that's the cool thing, is that everyone who has participated in this little competition seems to love it. And it's obviously for people who are really serious about skinny mixes and really serious about joining the development team. So yeah, what else? Make sure you're stocked with your grandma's pantry spice pack. If you didn't grab a grandma's pantry spice pack, make sure you've got all the standard stuff like oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, some cumin. What else? You'll want to have your things like dry pasta. Trying to think of any other good tips. Have lots of freezer space, or, you know, organize, you know, to donate food to your local food bank, because you will have so much food if you manage to cook everything in those first 2 days. Definitely donate it to charity if you're not able to eat it all and you don't have the freezer space. Yeah, but otherwise, I think that the dev team who participated in the Cook the Book competition last time, they're gonna put some of their tips in the comments so that you can start getting ready. But pretty much you've got 2 days, you guys. 2 days to get ready, 2 days. And then you pretty much have less than 3 days to cook every recipe from Skinny Mediterranean to be in a chance to get those first 2. So you got to get cracking, you guys. All right, on that note, I want to show off my beautiful bowl of pasta alla norma. This is one of the recipes in Skinny Mediterranean that I can't eat because I'm allergic to eggplant. But when I developed it, don't worry, I definitely tasted it and I love it. It's so yummy. I just can't eat it. So I'm gonna put this one in the freezer for quick meals for my kids, because they're not allergic to eggplant. It's just me who's allergic. Anyway, how good does that look, you guys? So quick and easy to make too. All right, well, I love you. If you have any comments at all or any questions about what a golden ticket is, the recipe development team, about the bingo competition, if you've got any tips on success, put them in the comments. Sorry, my mouth is like killing me. Anyway, love you guys. I'm gonna get ready for bed. See ya.